G'day folks, Mr. Shea Poulet here. We are just doing a little bit of improvement. I like to do improvements on my feeders. This is just an old feeder that I had laying around. So these are ice cream containers that you buy, or you can get if you're lucky enough to get them just at any ice cream shop. So just ask them. Sometimes they throw them away, sometimes you got to buy them, but either way they're handy to plant things in or just do things like this. So I was trying to what I originally wanted was like a stovepipe, and I was going to rivet it onto the sides. That would be a more permanent idea of something that's probably metal and it would last a long time, but plastic's second best in my opinion. So this here will just go inside snugly like that. Now what I was thinking of doing, well, I got some self-tapping screws that have like a little drill bit on the end. I'm gonna put those in the bottom here, just so it doesn't come out. Just like so. Probably stick 3 of them on there. And I'll put one more. Alright, so now that's nice and secure. Okay, so inside there's a little lip. Feed's going to get stuck there. I can trim the lip a little bit more, but not a big deal. The majority is going to fall down through. And now I got guaranteed a full bag of feed. So to even go better yet, we can put another barrel on the top. And what I'm thinking of doing is just taking wire. I have wire somewheres. I'm just going to drill little holes all around and kind of stitch it with wire. And then that will give me quite a bit. I bet you that's close to 75 pounds of feed in there. So that's a bag and a half of feed that should last me should last me about 8 days. So if I need to go away or do something, it's always nice to have that extra feed. Now for some people, they won't be able to reach up here. Obviously it's even high for me, but that's plenty. That's a full bag. We can leave it at that for now, and my cover will still fit on the top. You can see the lips, I cut out the bottom. You do that also, I guess. All right, y'all. Just something simple. Cheers. Have a good day.